Yo, 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 this your boy Azakar, man. You know I'm a gamer. You know I be on that gamer content too. But I'm telling you, man, this game, Alan Wake, I advise y'all to download the motherfucker. The graphics off the chain, the strategy is off the chain. But just check out the gameplay, man. And you gonna get fucked up in it, so just check it out, man. This your boy. Holla at your boy, man. You know I ain't gonna sugarcoat nothing on the video game tip. I don't want you to waste your money. So with no further ado, check out the gameplay. I'm gonna call this putting the Witcher heart chasing Nightingale. Alan Wake. I didn't think this motherfucker saw me, but he did, and he behind somewhere as I healed. So I'm gonna turn back around and we try to do this damn thing. You talking shit. Okay, it's going back on over there. Well, these graphics on this motherfucker. Oh shit, I ain't even see dude. God damn. Nigga. Okay. Oh shit. I died. I died. Well, goddamn, let's try this again. This game is fun as fuck.
Need to look at the case board.
Case board for what? Okay, got the heart. Let's go get this motherfucker. Alrighty. Is it this way? Hell no. This way. Then this way. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Let's rock and roll with it. What all I got? What's that? Okay. Okay. That motherfucker over here somewhere now.
I can't talk now.
Damn! God damn! me up, didn't he? Hey, man, this game off the chain, though. Ladies and gentlemen, man, you must be on the game and tip. You must get this in your archive, man. This is the game. Alan Wake 2. Alan Wake 2. It is that game, y'all. It's that game. Come on, let's try this one more time, y'all. Three's a charm. You know, this big motherfucker. Yeah. I know what I'm looking for. Bring y'all bitch asses on. Pretty intense. Where I go from here? Let's see if it worked, y'all. Let's see.
The wave crashed on the far side of the mirror. I brought you the heart witch. Showed me the terror.
Boy, this is some get high shit. Man, this game off the chain, though. Ladies and gentlemen, Alan Wake, not Awake, but Alan Wake 2, baby.
Are you still on your way? Casey! Casey, do you need me?
It is a must get.
Okay, Sarah. Go ahead, Sarah.
We're going to close it right there, baby. We're going to close it right there. It is a must get. Peace in the Bala Hagrid's people.
I think the reason that feel like you need multiple women to satisfy your like needs and wants is because of your mentality. If you found a woman that did have like the intellectual capacity that on the same level as yourself, would you be bored as easily as yours?
I never said I would be bored. I just have a king's appetite, love.
Okay, but if you found a woman who was on the same intellectual level as you, would you still want other women?
It's improbable, but certainly yes, I would, because it's not that a woman has a lack of intellect that I would want a separate woman. Women have trouble understanding the thinking of men, which makes sense in as much as we can't really understand your thinking fully.
Mm-hmm.
But know this, you might say, Marquette, you like thick women, which I do. And then you see me with a Vietnamese woman, you're like, I thought you liked thick women. I also like thin women. I like tall women. I also like short women. And variety is a flavor, you dig? So it's like, what is a player to do when his favorite flavor is new? Ooh,
I like how you said that.